How to add Google ad tags in HTML website. Okay, so I'm going to show you where exactly you need to add this. This is in the body section. Okay, so after when the HTML starts, you'll have the header section. When the header section ends, the body section will start. So you're going to put it within the body section right here. So for example, this is the body of your page. You just want to go ahead and take the code snippet, copy it, and paste it right here. All right, within the body. And if you want to learn how to position these ads in your HTML website, this is what you do. You can align it, right? So you just do div align, and then you can do maybe like left, right, or center. Then you just have to close it as well, but make sure it is within the body section. Really, that is in simple, guys. I hope this guy provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.